Look at this specimen of a man. Yeah, g'day. Just starting the morning, finishing off my edit from the birthday trip. Then I'm heading into the studio to do a product shoot for a lady for some Amazon products. Haven't done too many of these before, so hopefully it goes good. How good? Ooh. Just got in the studio. Big boss is up top. I'm gonna try and set up, see how this goes. Okie dokie. Lights set up. Should be okay. I'm gonna hang some stuff across here. Shoot it. Shouldn't be too hard. Tassels floating. Lights. Hopefully it works. We'll give it a shot. Well, that's the first product shoot done. Who knows how that went? Guess time will tell, eh, Richard? How good. Just finished up at Williams Studios doing the product shoot. It was actually a job from Airtasker for a lady that's starting her own Amazon business. It's pretty cool, she's giving it a crack. Good on her. Haven't really done a product shoot before, so I guess I know they turned out alright, but I guess we'll see when I get home and edit them. I was going to film some sort of stuff showing you what happens when you do a shoot, but I always find it weird shooting for a client, especially when they haven't really done too much in a studio before. Having a camera in their face is pretty weird. Yeah. So I came home to do some work, and Harry's here, so we're going to the beach. Yay!
Yay! Mel's not working for 4 days. Yay!
Mel's not working for 4 days. You're a bum. Wow, that car hit the skids for no reason. Missed your corner there, buddy. Mel, I haven't even got out of the car and you are already set up. Pretty good, eh?
Don't laugh when lifting things.
What are you gonna do when you get it up?
I don't know! I just want to leave it here. People come stand next to me.
You got it. You put it there. Just came down to Snapper with Harry. He's never been. And we're playing, what are we playing?
Same rock twice.
You can't touch the same rock twice, which is harder than it looks. Oh, I fucked it. So I was saying before we got to Snapper that I've never got to park down at the end near the surf club, and holy fuck, look at this. That's the surf club. That's where Mel is. And that's where the car is. How friggin' good. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I think you need a turn.
Well, we got back from the beach. Did a little bit of work in the photos. I didn't do fuck all, I just uploaded them to my computer. I'll get onto them later. Now the sun's setting. So we're gonna skate for a minute. Oh, Nala! You bitch! You put him off!